How to log into Roadrunner email account. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'm going to talk about how can you exactly log into your Roadrunner email account. So in order to begin the process of accessing your Roadrunner email account, you should first launch any web browser. Search for Roadrunner email in the search bar and hit enter in the keyboard. Then you will come across various and numerous links over here. Among all these links, click on the link provided by spectrum.net. Upon reaching the page, do not get confused by the Spectrum branding. It remains the main identifier for the Roadrunner email. Upon reaching the page, input your accurate form of your email address and your password. Choose to have your email address saved to prevent the need for repeated logins with various emails. And if you'd like your email and password to be saved in your web browser or in this device, you can click on this Remember Email Address option. Now successfully complete the CAPTCHA verification by selecting I am not robot option, and after which you can proceed to sign in and reach your account. In case you've forgotten your password or email, utilize the Forgot Email Address or Forgot Email Password features for the account recovery. This concludes today's guidance. So this was all about how you can exactly log into your Roadrunner email account. For additional similar content, be sure to engage with the like and subscribe buttons. And remember to stay updated with our latest updates and offerings. Thank you for your viewership. See you in the next video.